Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Atlas Earth and ask whether or not it's legit. In order to do so, here we are at atlasearth.com, and let's just go ahead and scroll through and get an idea for what Atlas Earth is all about. So first off, this is an app that you need to install. You can go to the App Store or you can get it on Google Play, and you can see here an example of what the app looks like. Essentially, what it is that the more you travel, it is a metaverse game that lets players document their travels in the real world and get rewarded for it. You can become a VIP. Every player can become a VIP in the town, state, and country where they live. You can shop and earn thousands of locations and can get millions of Atlas bucks in doing so. Whether you're at work, traveling, or at home, there will be local offers for you to earn more Atlas bucks at over 12,000 participating locations. Own and earn the virtual real estate in Atlas Earth accrues rent every second of every day, even when you're offline. This virtual rent can be redeemed for more in game currency or cash back. Interesting. So we have their different socials: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Reddit, Discord. So if you are interested in installing the app, then you're going to need to go to the App Store or Google Play. Now, as far as its legitimacy, after doing a little bit of research, I can let you know that it does function as advertised. It does allow you to buy virtual land and earn rent. However, the earning potential is very low, and it's not a viable source of passive income. There's also some allegations of scams. Some users and reviewers have claimed that it's a scam due to its low earning potential, and others argue it's not a scam, but rather somewhat misleading in that it doesn't really deliver on its promises of significant profits. So the reviews on various platforms indicate that the game is somewhat misleading and that the earnings are quite minimal, making it difficult to recoup investments. So those are things to consider when it comes to Atlas Earth. Yes, you could try it out. Are you going to be making a lot of money based on a lot of the reviews? Don't count on it. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.